Oh my gosh.
If I would marry a woman because
Do you or a loved one suffer from severe sneezing? If you have that problem, we have your solution.
Introducing the new Sneeze-A-Go-Go.
Sneeze-A-Go-Go is a clear invisible mask that hydrates your face throughout the day. It has a detector on your nose or your mouth that detects when you're about to sneeze. And when you're about to sneeze, a slide covers your mouth and your nose, protecting you from bacteria.
Oh, I didn't see you there. I personally have been using Sneeze-A-Go-Go for 6 months, and it's helped me with all my upper respiratory problems. I thoroughly recommend this product.
This product is sold exclusively in the US, in stores and online. We can ship only throughout the US, but we plan on expanding our business to other locations as well. You can reach us at 832-239-9247. Remember, when in doubt, sneeze it out.